back to my channel. My name's Katie. I hope you're doing well. If you're new, then welcome. If you're returning, then welcome back. Oops. Today's video is, I thought I'd show you my kits for Tuesday the 6th of November. So Tuesday I am going to be on the late show on Jewellery Maker, so I thought I'd show you my kits because I've just arrived and why not. So to start off with the first kit, I'll just empty it out. In fact, I'll leave those till last. The first kit that we have got, absolutely fabulous. We've got some wire. Now then, if I show you what wire we've got, I'll just take it out of the packet. Sorry about the crinkling. Right, so we have got 3 reels of wire. We have 10 meters of 8mm gauge, and this is the copper wire, and it's the champagne gold. I'll just take that off there. The champagne gold wire, and as you can see, we've got lovely champagne gold. This is 0.8, and you get 10 meters of that, so you get 1 reel with 10 meters. So we've got that. We have got 10 meters of 1mm gauge wire, and this is the champagne gold again, and this is your 1mm. So this is perfect for doing things like your findings, etc. And this is also good for your structural work and things like that. But they work fantastically together. And then the third reel that we're getting is your 0.4mm champagne coloured wire. And this, just take that off, this is perfect for your wire weaving, etc. So this is a smaller gauge, and it's a nice thin gauge. So to start off with, this is what we've got in our kit. So we've got these 3 these 3 gauges of wire. So we've got your 1mm, your 1mm, your 0.8, and your 0.4. So that is what we have got in this kit. Then we have also got these fantastic, they're kind of like a peach coloured rice pearl, and they're so nice. They are so nice. Look at these. I should perhaps maybe film this on my different camera. Let me just give that a while. You might be able to see that better. There we go. So as you can see, we've got these fantastic rice pearls. We've got quite a large amount of them. So we've got those. So we've got a strand of those, and we have also got, these are absolutely amazing. Now, I'm assuming these are, I think these are moonstone. Can you tell I haven't looked at my breakdown yet, my email? I should do really, but look at these. Aren't they incredible? They are incredible. I mean, the chatoyancy on these, oh look, that is just absolutely incredible. And these are kind of like a modern geometric diamond shape, and they're crisscross, oh no, they're triangulated facets on there, and there's a lot of this kind of geometric shape out on the high street at the moment with home furnishings, etc. You know, in your rose gold and things like that, if you have a look. But that is, I mean, once you get that on, the chatoyancy on that is absolutely incredible. So we have got these fantastic strands, and we've got our 3 reels of wire. So if you want to see what I make with these, then you must tune in to Jewellery Maker on Tuesday, and I shall leave all the details below in the description box. I'm on the late show, which is from 6 till 10, and you'll be able to see these in the kits. We have 2 kits of the evening, so this is going to be one of the kits. And then the second kit that we have got, move that out of the way, take these all out of the packet, like so. Oh, fabulous, absolutely fabulous. There's a lot in this one. There's a lot in this kit. So, again, we'll start off with the wire again. This is perhaps one of my favourite coloured wires, and I've always loved this sort of colour, and it's the copper colour wire, and we've got them in the same gauges as we had the champagne gold. So we've got the 1mm, just there. We've got your 8mm, and we have got your 0.4. So again, perfect for weaving, perfect for findings and structure, and this one's perfect for structure. Okay, you can also do quite a few other things with the 1mm as well. So that's a good one to have. And then we have got, if I show you this, we have got a full strand, which is usually 98 centimeters of our peridot. Now I've literally just sort of like twisted it up together there, but I'll show you it in its entirety. So we've got that there. That's usually about 98 centimeters, and oh, I mean, you could literally just pop that on and on you go. But these chips are fantastic. I mean, you can see that through the glow is just incredible, absolutely incredible. So we've got that peridot, we've got these peridot here, and these are like a graduated rondelle, and as you can see here, we have got a fantastic graduated rondelle. Just going to show you all around there, and we've got our famous tassels on here. So this is peridot again, perfectly graduated, all the work's done for you. So then all you've got to do is think about your design. So we have that in the kit, and I think this goes perfectly with the colour copper wire. We also have these fantastic glass pearls here, or are they either glass, I don't know if they're glass pearls or shell pearl. I don't think they are shell pearl. Well, they might be. We've got shell pearl. These are shell pearls, not glass pearls. These are shell pearls. So these are fantastic because you can weave with these, and because they're a uniform shape and everyone is the same size, you can get quite a nice regular pattern with them. Unlike real pearls, obviously, because they have inclusions, dinks and dents, etc. in them, because they're natural, obviously. But these are a shell pearl, which means basically what they do is once they've finished drilling out the real pearls, etc., or your other pearls, they get the dust and they compact it, and then they use like a resin just to kind of form them into these beads. So nothing is wasted at all. So we have got those, and then we have got some chalcedony, just some white chalcedony here, and these look like they're 6mm rounds, and the glow on these is absolutely, I just love the fact that they're really milky. I'm hoping you can see that. It is absolutely fantastic. So we have got, I have to be careful with this because I've just taken one off the end. Need to find the end. So we've got, in fact, if I just hold them like that, this is all of the strands that we've got. So we've got our chips, our rondelles, our chalcedony, and our rice pearls. So we've got that as our gemstone package. And then we've also got the wire. So we have got the 1mm, the 8mm, and the 4mm in this kit. So you'll have to tune in again on Tuesday just to see what I do with that. So I hope you can do that. We're on Jewellery Maker, which, if I just have a look, is on Sky. It is channel 674. I'll put the rest of the channels in the description box below. I shall also put details of what time I'm on and how you can get in contact and order your kits to make your fantastic jewellery. I'd love to see your what you make on the Wall of Fame. It would be absolutely amazing because you inspire us as much as we inspire you. And again, we want to say thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the show on Tuesday night. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed already, then please do subscribe. It's free. That is one thing. It is free. And, you know, you take care of yourselves, take care of everybody else. The world is your catwalk. And remember, keep creating.